Right, this is a real quick video just to show the effects of running these small meth spirits denatured alcohol stoves inside my semi-catalytic heater in an enclosed space. There's been a lot of people very concerned about what I'm doing, and their knee-jerk reaction is just to go, don't do this, you're crazy. Unfortunately, the closest they've ever come to having any experience with this, most of them, is reading warning labels. So they've been parroting at me what they've read on the warning labels. I'm a kind of a hands-on guy, and I like to find out things for myself. So I have set up an inside-outside thermometer, a stopwatch. Inside here I've got the combination carbon dioxide and CO2 meter running the recommended 1 metre away from the appliance, and I've got the appliance in the corner where I've been running it. I'm running a genuine Trengia alcohol stove instead of one of my own, because these ones have a ring on the top that makes them controllable. I started off with it running full noise to bring it up to temperature, and then I shut it right down to about a 50% flame. It's still running now, and we are at 34 minutes, and it's ridiculously hot in there, and the CO2 meter is sitting on 0. Just lit it, it's starting to warm up. It's 23 degrees outside, and it's just starting to warm up inside at 25 degrees. The oxygen sensor, the oxygen depletion sensor shows a big fat 0. The window is open by 1 inch, and the roof vent is open by 1 inch. "16 minutes in, we're looking at 40 degrees inside, which is pretty crazy. It's 22 degrees outside, which is the same as when we started. The CO monitor is on a 0. Here we are at 24 minutes. The temperature is 44.2 inside. We have 0 oxygen depletion, and it's just burning nicely in there. Remember, the vents are open by 1 inch. The window's open by 1 inch, and the roof vent's open by 1 inch. Here we are at 45 minutes. It's 46 degrees inside. We've still got 0 oxygen depletion. And here we are at the end of the test. 45.9, almost 46 degrees, which is stupidly warm in there. In the old Neanderthal measurements, that's 114 degrees. That's nuts. That's like a sauna. And as you just saw, not a peep out of the CO2 detector. And we've been running for 46 minutes. Right, now I've got magical powers that you might not have, so I'm not recommending that you make yourself one of these and use it to heat anything. Also, I don't live in a nanny state that could sue my ass if I tell you to do something stupid and you're stupid enough to do it. But in my case, with the equipment that I've got, using a very well respected brand of CO2 meter, I've had no reading whatsoever. I've tested that, I've put it near the stove and run it, it goes nuts, and it takes a long time to stop. It's ear piercing. But if you're keen to know how to make one of these, I'm going to make another video that will show you how you can make your own. Just be responsible with it.